Hi, it's Al Hutchinson. I'm going to do an unwrapping video, not unboxing. This is our newest back row bar for HT Design. It's going to go behind a row of seats like here. The other piece is over here. It comes in two pieces. Ships on a pallet. We got them off the pallets, so I didn't want to just bother with that. And I'm just going to take the plastic off. So when you do this, you got to be a little careful because it's got some corner braces. It's shipped very well. We took some of the wrapping already off. And we've got the corner braces. We've got a lot of plastic. Be careful. And just got to keep working at it. There's a good place here. You know what? Maybe a scissors will work a little better. Okay, I got the scissors. It's a little easier. I don't want to slash my scissors. Would actually be better than an X-Acto knife. So pretty much got all that off. You can see the front here. It's got a nice front. They call it backsplash. So that's nice. And this will go right in front of it. And then the bar stools go behind here. Now I'll get the other one going. We're going to do a video of the whole thing once it's unwrapped, put together. This is like shrink wrap. Maybe I could use it as a psychiatrist. Shrink wrap. Huh. It's funny. Be cheaper probably. I'm gonna keep cutting. Yeah, this works a little better than the X-Acto knife, for sure. Kind of an unveiling of the new bar, HT Design back row bar. You see it in some theaters, people sometimes build them themselves, but this saves you the time of building and cost and labor. It's already built for you, shipped, assembled, and then you can be ready to go. Getting rid of the corner braces. There's a little dust on there. We'll get the dust off. And this side, look at this side here. So you got room for your legs. This joins together in the on this side here. Basically, there's some screws you put in using a wood screw, I guess, and then we might not join ours together and just push it. You might even have to join it together, but you can. Probably only need to do a few of these screws. All right, htmarket.com. We got an unveiling. Al Hutchinson. We're going to do the demo next.